Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So gold looks like it's pushing beyond the 250 level. I've been saying pretty much for a week or more now that I think the 261.8 is a more likely level where we possibly could end the wave 3. We definitely don't have to end the wave 3 there, but it seems like a way more likely level that it could end there. That's right around $4,310, by the way. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday I was saying that this looks like a possible wave B right there, but I personally wouldn't be shorting it because it's in a wave 3 in every time frame. And this is why. Every single one of these big impulsive moves down, if you looked at that as nothing more than an opportunity to go long, then you just would have made so much money trading these markets. Now I have my Fibonacci extension from here to here, projected off of here. These Fibonacci levels could act as areas of resistance. You could get some pullbacks at some of these areas. But for me personally, I have a hard time recommending anything but longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long at the top of a wave, but if you do get some sort of a pullback, especially on shorter time frames, I definitely would be still doing nothing but recommending longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks, at least until we hit that 261% Fibonacci extension from the daily time frame, right around $4,310. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.